Hi, this is Peter with Quantum Edge AI, and we're going to be constructing the Iron Condor. This is what it looks like. This is a delta neutral trading strategy, but you also can leg into the verticals, leg into the short call vertical, then leg into the vertical, short put vertical, or vice versa. Or you can adjust these specific contracts to make the trade more in your favor or the more in the channel uh, direction. So we can construct this and say, okay, Iron Condor, maybe we want four, right? Want four contracts. The net profit is 252 if price oscillates and lands within this region. You want to exit. You want to have an exit strategy here where it says, okay, if price breaks out of this channel outside of here or outside of here, you're going to exit. Um, and yeah, so, or you can adjust the trade. So say, for example, price decreases here. Price decreases, you made money on your short put vertical, and you can close that the short call vertical, and you can close that short call vertical up here. If price is up here, price is down here, now you're going to be still short the put vertical, and then you believe price is going to oscillate back up. Once price oscillates back up, then you sell the short call vertical to hedge the put vertical again, or you close that position. Now you can leg in and leg out of these verticals with finite risk. That's nice. You have that theta decay here, which is what you want. Now that's a little bit more advanced. But for those of you that will construct this trade and leave it, which is what I recommend you doing until you get the feel of how the market moves, how the spread itself moves in the chant as price moves, once you get a good feel, because this risk profile is what you should expect, but it's, as you know, it's different to analyze a trade versus being in a trade. You have to feel it. There becomes an emotional cost of being involved with certain trades. You have to be systematic, you have to be disciplined. And the reason why we built Quantum Edge AI is to provide a method, a systematic method that traders can use to better position their entries and exits continuously throughout time. So back to the Iron Condor, finite risk, finite profit, delta neutral trading strategy. Now you can make it, like I said, leg in the vertical each side, or you can also custom it and then say, okay, well, you know what? Um, I want to be a little bit more positive here. So maybe what I can do is adjust that. I can be delta long for the next 2%, and then hedge it back, close that position, back to an Iron Condor. You can also say, okay, maybe I want to be positive. Maybe I want to be a little more delta positive. I want to take advantage of the fact that I do not believe it's going to exceed this value, the low forecast. So maybe I will create a little bit of an imbalance. And I believe that the likelihood of price to be over here is greater than over here. So I will have a little bit more weight on my short vertical side than my short call vertical side. So we're going to be a little bit delta long here maybe. And then we're going to have a nice positive theta and also vega, nice negative vega. In the event that implied volatility decreases, you're going to be profitable there too. So you're going to have two things. Implied volatility decreases, theta evaporates over time, you make that. And then if price increases and doesn't exceed, break out of this area, then we're going to be profitable on the delta. So we'll be profitable on the delta, the theta, and vega if all goes well. So in this delta neutral strategy, it's slightly delta positive, not entirely delta neutral. We have a adjustment where we're a little bit more short put vertical than we are short call vertical, which is nice because we can account for that um, that increasing stock price over time, and that's beneficial. But you can also be perfectly delta neutral, and this is relatively delta negative, negative 0.4, which is less than one share negative. Okay, that is the Iron Condor. If you have any questions, feel free to DM me or contact me via email. Thank you. Bye.